I need a Captain Log.
So here's our issue.
Captain Log.
Things aren't going to plan.
22:30 on a Sunday evening. Snowy outside. Playing football and the ball seems to have gotten stuck.
Somehow got lodged on top of the 311.
Yeah.
No problem though, because we have a big bag of garbage.
It seems. Wait, hang on. What is that?
Might be recycling.
Yeah, it might be. I think we're gonna be all right.
Hit it once up here, straight. Straight up.
No. This is another surveillance. No.
Let's take a look at what we're dealing with here. You see it?
Yeah, it's like up there.
It's in the middle.
Let me get a shot of
No,
this.
it's not. It's pretty
Can
close.
we ask your doorman for a broom?
Ask the doorman. Doorman has a broom.
Broom!
Broom?
I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Broom?
Really? I mean,
It's right there.
Yeah, I see it.